Hello again, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to cook an easy and delicious green bean recipe, vegetarian style. What I have here is about 1 pound of green beans, and the other ingredient you need is about 3 cloves of garlic, ground up pepper, soy sauce, and oyster sauce. Oyster sauce, the brand that I usually buy is the Panda brand. This is a very good brand, a little more expensive, but a really good one. So oyster sauce. So let's prepare the green beans. For the green bean, you want to trim off the top and the bottom. You want to trim like this. Trim this part off, and trim this part off right here. So you don't want that, all you want it just like that. You can cut in half if you want to, but I'm just leave it whole like this. And I'm going to show you the easy way to do it is instead of doing one at a time. So you take your knife right here, you line it up like this, see? Like that, and you trim it, line it all up, and then you trim it right there, see that? And then you turn the other way, turn this way, and you do the same thing. Use your knife to line it all up. This is the easy way to see? Now all you have is this left right here. So do another one. Grab a handful of them, and yeah, this is the easy way to cut the green bean, to trim the green bean, because this part right here, the stem, all that is not edible. It's not very good. So that's why you do that. So line them up like that with your knife, right there. That's the way I do it, instead of doing one at a time. Trim it off, turn around. Right, this is what you have here, and most people would would do this by your hand right here, trim that off. But it's take time to do that. See how fast it is, the way I'm doing it. And now let's chop up the garlics. Well, for this, you want to blanch for this recipe, you want to blanch the green beans. So I have about half a pot of water right here. It's already boiling. You just want to blanch the green bean for about 10 seconds or so. You don't want to cook it, just want to blanch it in the hot water. 10 seconds. All right, about 10 seconds right now. So let's drain the water out. Rinse it with cold water to stop the cooking process. So you don't want to cook the green bean, just rinse it with cold water to stop the cooking. See, the green bean now is very crunchy. It's not cooked, but it just blanched it. There. Now you want to drain the water really good. Okay, now put into a bowl, and now we're gonna marinate with the ingredients. I'm gonna put 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. This is the oyster sauce. 1, 2, and 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce. I don't need oyster sauce, got a lot of sodium in there. oyster sauce already have 870 milligram of sodium, so you don't need that. No need to put salt in there. And 1,104 milligram of soy sauce. I mean, of sodium already, so it's pretty salty. Mix it up. Put some ground pepper, maybe a teaspoon of that. Just toss it. So basically just toss it, you marinate it, and now it's just let it sit for a few minutes, and now it's time to cook. I'm using vegetable oil. Just put about a teaspoon of, don't put too much, about a teaspoon of oil, that's it. We don't want to, we want to be healthy, so not much oil, about a teaspoon of it. Kind of roast the garlic a little bit. You could put more garlic if you want to, but I only put three small cloves of garlic, so you can put more. So roast it for maybe 30 seconds or so. That's all you need. And just make sure to take the rawness out of the garlic. That's all you need. Just put the green bean in. It shouldn't take long to cook at all, maybe like 3 minutes the most. So this is kind of a vegetarian dish. No meat at all, no meat. Alright, it's done. That's it. Let's plate it up. So this is the final product. Stir-fried green bean with oyster sauce, soy sauce, ground pepper. And it's very delicious and easy to do. This is like a vegetarian style. No need to add meat, anything. That's very delicious. I hope you give this recipe a try. So this is very easy to do. Shouldn't take takes maybe 10 minutes to cook this thing, and it's very delicious. I hope you give this recipe a try. Let's take a taste. See, the green bean is not it's still crunchy. It's like not overcooked. The oyster sauce kind of bring the flavor, give it a little sweetness and a little salty and sweetness. This is very tasty. This is really good. It's very healthy, very easy and healthy and delicious to cook this recipe. And I only use one, like hardly use any oil, only like use 1 teaspoon of oil. So it's very healthy. So thank you very much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.